K52 reportedly spotted on Indian BIS website. Launch may be imminent. Hi everyone, my name is Srinivas. Welcome to my channel Technical Srinivas. So we are going to talk about the LG K42 and LG K52 have been reportedly spotted on Indian BIS website. This means that the two LG phones could launch in India soon. The development was shared by known tipster on Twitter. The LG K42 has already launched in Central America and the Caribbean region, while the LG K52 has launched in Europe. Let's talk about the LG K42 specification in details. The LG K42 runs on Android 10 based LG UX OS. It features a 6.6-inch HD Plus display with a central hole punch cut out for the selfie camera. It is powered by the MediaTek Helio P22 SoC, which is coupled with 3 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage. The storage can be expanded via micro SD card slot up to 256 GB. For photography and videography, the LG K42 features a quad-rear camera setup that includes a 13 megapixel primary sensor and a 5 megapixel super wide snapper, a 2 megapixel depth sensor and a 2 megapixel macro shooter. On the front, the smartphone comes with a 8 megapixel selfie camera. LG K42 comes with a 3D sound engine which the South Korean company claims has analyzed 17 million audio samples to deliver an optimal sound. The phone comes with a 3.5mm audio jack, Bluetooth and USB Type-C port for charging. It is backed by a 4000 mAh battery. If we talk about the LG K52 specification in details, the LG K52 comes with a 6.6-inch HD Plus full vision display with a 20:9 aspect ratio. It is powered by an octa-core MediaTek Helio P35 SoC paired with 4 GB of RAM. The smartphone features a quad-rear camera setup that houses a 48 megapixel primary sensor, a 5 megapixel ultra-wide angle shooter and a 2 megapixel depth sensor and a 2 megapixel sensor with a macro lens. For capturing selfies, the phone comes with a 13 megapixel camera sensor at the front. For storage, the LG K52 comes with a 64 GB of internal storage that is expandable via micro SD card up to 2 TB, so that is 2 TB. Connectivity options include 4G, LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, NFC and USB Type-C port. The phone also comes with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. The LG K52 packs a 4000 mAh battery. So what do you guys think? Please let me know in the comment section below. For my latest videos on tech and gadgets, please subscribe my YouTube channel.